Alright, so let's set up a dynamic pole target. To start, we'll set up one leg with the dynamic pole target, then we'll duplicate the finished leg to the other side. Delete the character's right leg. For now, make sure X-axis mirror is turned off in the tool panel. Extrude a new bone from the knee joint, then clear the parent. Name this new bone ik-target-anchor-leg.L. Now, make this bone a child of the root bone. Select the bone, then the root, and press Ctrl P, and choose Keep Offset. Next, we'll make the ik-target-leg.L bone a child of the anchor bone that we just made, again using Ctrl P. Cool, parenting is done. Next, we want to set up a bone constraint that will make this anchor bone follow the knee joint. Tab into pose mode, select the shin bone, and then the new anchor bone we just created, and press Ctrl-Shift-C to add a new bone constraint. Choose Copy Location from the menu, and pull the character's waist down to test. In the Bone Constraints tab of the Properties panel, you can use either World Space or Pose Space in the Space option for the bone constraint. You might see some artifacts if you cancel rotations or transformations, but if you select the anchor and press G and basically, jiggle it a little bit, it'll fix itself. This artifact has no effect on key poses during animation, so it's no biggie. Now I'll quickly mirror the leg to the other side. Shift-C to bring the cursor to center. Set the 3D cursor as the anchor point. Use Shift-D to duplicate. Then SX-1 to mirror. W to flip the names. Now turn X-axis mirroring on. Select the character's left side and press Ctrl-R to fix the bone roll. And we're done. Don't forget to change your pivot point back to normal. I hope this dynamic pole target saves you as much time as it has for me. Enjoy!